threats linked to synthetic pot is growing, and it's affecting our area. In Illinois, there's been a third reported death, more than 100 others sickened. Last week, we learned about the first case in Maryland tied to severe bleeding from the synthetic marijuana. Investigators think the drug contains rat poison.
Updated, April 12, 2018, 3:55 p.m. CDT, Washington, AP. Fake marijuana likely contaminated with rat poison has killed 3 people in Illinois and caused severe bleeding in more than 100 others, including a few in 4 other states. The Federal Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has alerted doctors nationwide that patients with severe, unexplained bleeding may be additional cases. Western food lovers are going crazy over this new brand Tecovas. Women in Mesquite love these razors. Find out why Dollar Shave Club. The CDC is helping Illinois authorities investigate the outbreak in that state, which began in early March. Illinois reported 7 more cases on Tuesday, bringing the nationwide total to at least 116. Several patients and samples of so-called synthetic marijuana from Illinois have tested positive for a lethal ingredient often used in rat poison, the CDC and Illinois authorities said. Symptoms include coughing up blood, blood in the urine, severe bloody noses, bleeding gums and internal bleeding. CDC's alert says outside Illinois, emergency rooms in Indiana, Missouri, Wisconsin, and Maryland have treated affected patients since March 10. Illnesses have been linked to fake marijuana before, but this is the first outbreak involving rat poison contamination, said the CDC's Renee Funk. Those sickened require hospitalization and treatment with vitamin K to control bleeding, she said. Fake marijuana, also called synthetic cannabinoids, contains man-made chemicals that produce a high similar to marijuana. It is sold in smoke shops and other stores as liquids that can be used in e-cigarettes or in dried plant material that can be smoked. Nicknames include K2, Spice and Kush. The number of cases continues to go up each day, Melanie Arnold, spokeswoman for the Illinois Department of Public Health, said Tuesday. Synthetic cannabinoids in general are not safe, and this is one example of not knowing what chemicals are in the product. We are telling people don't use synthetic cannabinoids. The federal government and many states have banned some of these products or specific ingredients, but the CDC says manufacturers skirt these laws by creating new products or labeling them not for human consumption. Tests on fake pot bought at a Chicago convenience store by undercover agents detected the rat poison ingredient, the U.S. Attorney's Office said in a news release. 3 store employees were arrested and face federal drug charges. Illnesses from fake marijuana have increased in recent years. A CDC report noted at least 456 cases between 2010 and 2015. The products are up to 100 times more potent than the active ingredient in marijuana, and severe reactions have included seizures, coma, and delirium.